Okay, as you can see, a smooth 3D videos for transition website. Look how awesome it is. So it's working. So, so this is how it looks. So if you think this website took like many weeks of coding or something like this, no, it's totally made by AI under just 10 minutes. So in this tutorial, I will make you learn how you can make such website under just 10 minutes, and it's totally free and you can easily do it. All right, let's start making our website using the cloud code. I will make you learn step by step. First of all, go to your browser and uh, go to any of the AI platform like Google Gemini, Grok, or Quan. I'm currently using Quan. So what I did over here, we have to generate the AI image for our website visuals. So this is the image which I have generated, and I also changed its resolution to 16:9 resolution because we are on desktop. After getting your desired result, download the image. After downloading it, we have to animate that image. So go to Meta Vibes. uh, Here you will get this link, vibes.ai. Over here, so this is the official platform of Meta. Currently it's in beta. From here you can generate unlimited videos for free, no credits or anything. So as you can see, I have given our reference image and it generated multiple samples to us. So after getting the desired result, download it. But there's a problem when you download it directly from the given link. As we have downloaded this one, so you can see it has the watermark. So we don't need watermark. We will remove it. So now what you have to do, just copy the link and go to the website video, a video downloader. So the website name is say from.net. Go to this website, paste the link, hit the download. So it will give you the download link. Just click on it. Right, so as you can see, there is no watermark removed, and you can easily download the video for free with the same resolution. So just download at least 3 to 4 videos as you desire. After downloading the videos, let's move to our cloud code. Here you have to write this prompt: 3D scroll animation website with the videos provided. UI should be dimensional transparent glass like. You can change the UI as per your liking. Fully interactive with widgets. So after giving it the prompt, you have to give the files too. We have given 3 MP4 files, the files which we just created and downloaded, the AI generated animated videos, and you have to give skill.md and other 3 reference files. So how you will get those files? I have shared the link in the description of this folder. You can just go and download it. Once downloaded, go to this folder, click on it, and you'll have these 2 files, skill.md, and under the references you will have 7 more. So total 8 files. You have to just copy it or just like drag and drop over here. So it will have the files. Then once everything done, just hit the command and it will just do it work. So in the end, what you will get, instructions something like this. So you just have to download the file which cloud has generated at your site. Click on it, Once you click on it, it will automatically download it under your download folder. So as you can see, here is our file. We just extract it over here. We have extracted it, copy it, and paste it under your user and your PC name directory. So my PC name is Adi. So here, just paste it. As you can see, the name is like very long for this one. So I can make a chart. I can name it Oracle-UI. Once it's done, now move to the next part. You have to run the command through the PowerShell. Search for PowerShell, open it up, and run the command cd. Write the name of the directory, like we have Oracle UI, so we have written the same over here. It will take us directly to the Oracle UI. There you have to write npm install. Npm install. What it will do, it will download the Node.js under the directory. It would take just few seconds or few minutes. All right, it's done. Now you have to run the second and last command, npm run dev. All right, it's done. So it hosted us the local server where we can access our website, copy and paste it. Okay, so this is our website. As you can see, we have successfully created our website using the Cloud Code, totally free, only the little workout here and there, and you have a website like this. Just look at how awesome it is. Look at this one. So it has all the important and required infrastructure for a website. As you can see, the 3D scrolling is working totally fine. All right, so this is the procedure. So you can test it out. Just like and subscribe to the video. Subscribe to our channel and follow us so you can have more videos like this. I will be guiding you further on the next videos. See ya.